Hello there, fellow data analysts. This video is in continuation to previous video where I explained in details the three major measures of dispersion and variability in a distribution. In this video, I'll show you how you can actually compute for these measures using R. I imported the data set, which is the life expectancy, onto the R environment, and I'd like to start to write the function for. But before I get there, I wanted to make sure that I explained at the beginning of the video that there are two ways you can actually write a function in R. There are actually two ways that you can call in the name of the field within a variable while you're writing a function. And the first one is when you type in directly the name of the object and then the name of the variable, in which case it is the object name is variable life and the name of the object, the field or column, is life expectancy. So that's one of the ways, but a lot of, to avoid this hustle of having to write the object name each time you write a function, you can actually use the attach function. And the attach function, what it does is it attaches this variable in the back end, so that each time you write a function and you call in a field or a column here, you won't have to use a dollar sign, or you won't have to go through the object. You can speak directly to the field. So attach and then variable life, name of this object, and click on run, and there you go. So the reason it's telling me it's masked is because I already attached it before this video started. So now that I have the object attached onto the R backend, I'm going to go ahead and write the function for standard deviation, the first one. So there are two ways you can actually write, draw these statistics, descriptive statistics. The first one is to use basic R functions. The next one is to use the aggregated summaries on R packages. So the most basic function for standard deviation would be SD and then name of the field that you would like to get the standard deviation for and run it. So there you go. And for variance, VAR, and then same field name, run it. And for range, and then pretty much like Excel, except that in Excel you're talking to cells. Here you're talking more like with objects and variables. Another way you can do it is through the packages. One of the most common packages is the PestX. So I already installed this package. I already have it on my library. So once I activate the library, I can use it. Stat.description is also a strong descriptive function that it can actually bring you a variety of descriptive statistics, including the standard deviation here, and the median and the range as well. Another helpful package is JMV. You can also download and activate this library and use this function to get summary statistics, as well as other libraries include Psych, Tidyverse, HMSec, or SCIM-R. Last thing is, if you have a null value or non-numerical value within your variable, then once you run a function, then R will give you an error. So the best way to go around that is to use the RM and ARM function, and you can pretty much tell R that there's no to take the not applicable values as true. So if there's any null value within your variable, then this will actually outrule it for you. It's giving us the same standard deviation because there is no null value in our distribution. This was a very quick walkthrough on how to get, again, those three important measures of variation, which are range, variance, and standard deviation. And I'm hoping that this video was helpful. Thank you so much.